Alright, so moving forward from where we left off, you can see that I have cut a little more, cut a more depth as well, here as well, and especially here. Now, in order to get this face back on, I sanded it down, redrew the face, and you'll note that the face is obviously not complete. The sides of the face are where they need to be, and the eyes are where they need to be, although they're cut off. Much of this is cut off due to the cut we've made here, but that's not relevant because on any human face, as you know, the nose will stick out farthest. So once we cut in the nose and part of the lip and a couple other areas, the forehead, the brow, most of these areas here will be dropping quite a bit further down. You'll note that it's a bit tapered from here to here, and the reason for that is that the beard, when it comes out, is going to stick out quite far from the face as well, probably quite a bit further from the nose as well. So at this stage, what we'll do is we'll cut out the nose, and we'll cut certain other places, probably the mouth. We'll leave mostly this area down untouched, and we'll start paring all of that back, setting depth for the brow, this circlet, obviously the nose, the mouth, and parts of the chin here. It will just taper down. Additionally, you can see that I've cut a little further here. I've also set a line here which matches the side line I made earlier, and this will be for the part of the axe, the head of the axe that is really strong. Most metal is there. It'll also, you know, pair off in this way as well. This handle will be cut back from approximately here and go even further down. This will then, of course, pare down even further. But there's plenty of wood, as you can see. There's plenty of wood here. That's like over an inch of depth that I still have yet to cut. So cutting it down here will allow me to pare it down here, leaving plenty of room for what I want here. And this one has got even more. So I've got a lot to work with. Let's get started.